What is going on, K-Riders? How is everybody's day going today? That is good. That is great, because my day is going good as well. I hope everybody's having a great Monday so far. We're going to go on a little ride for this Monday afternoon. We're not going to do nothing special in this ride, guys. We're just going to go cruise around, have some fun, explore some new places, and just ride. So this video is not going to be a tutorial video. It's not going to be a first time riding my motorcycle video. It's just going to be a nice vlog with you guys. So please, if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button if you're new, and like the video too. And with that being said, guys, let's go. Look at that little dog. What is it? Wiener dog? No, I don't think that's a wiener dog. Your dog might be annoying, bro, but I still gotta say what's up. Alright, let's see here. Where are we at? Golf course road. I know what road this is, but the problem is I don't know if we go left or right. And something's telling me to go left, so we're just gonna go left. Let's see if I'm right. Was left the correct way, or is left going to take us the complete opposite way that I wanted to go? We shall find out. Nope, it took us the right way, for sure. We do not need GPS yet. See, guys, whenever you're riding or even driving, and let's just say you don't have a GPS, it's always good to remember the road signs and what way they take you, because if you know those two things, then you should be pretty good. I'm not going to tell you you're going to be good all the time, you know, but and I'm also not going to tell you to like travel freaking 5 hours with no GPS, just thinking you're gonna know how to get there. You're always gonna want to have that just in case, you know, but still, it's always good to know the signs of the roads. I do got some interesting content coming up here, guys, so if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and make sure you got that bell notification button selected to all so you don't miss an upload. Lamborghini. Got another biker up there. On the road he's riding, looks like R6 Yamaha something. I don't know, I just saw through this guy's windshield. I don't know what he's riding. We're about to find out. Or at least try to. If he don't turn first. A little Honda. That Lambo did sound nice though. I just like the camera angle, like how I have it on my helmet. Like, you don't mind like how it looks. Like, you can see in front of us okay, you can see the bike at sometimes. wrap this ride up soon. We've been riding for a minute, I feel. This afternoon's ride is gonna be long. A little longer, but that's alright. Good for watch time. But that's only if you guys watch it like to the end with me. Stay to the end of the ride with me. And if you are one of those people that come in and start from the beginning of the ride and stay to the end of the ride with us, I really do appreciate your time. You're amazing. All we need, guys, is our watch hours, then we get monetized, hopefully. That's all we need is our watch hours. I haven't checked them yet. The last time I checked them, which was like I think a month ago or something, it was at like 1,700 hours of watch time, and we need like 4,000 hours of watch time to get monetized. And I never been monetized before, so please make it easy on me, YouTube. That would be awesome. Let's get up to speed for a little bit before we end this ride. We've been pretty much just cruising and chilling this whole time. Oh, you go ahead, speed, buddy. I saw a cop on this road earlier. That's why we're not going that fast. We're sticking with the speed limit right now, because that little copper could be doing his round of coming down this way and going back like he always does. There's always that one officer that just circles this like whole like area. He'll like start from there, he'll come down, he'll make a right, he'll go all the way around, make another right, go all the way around again, and come out there and do it again. Trust me, I know. I know, guys, I know. And I don't want to be caught up going 65 on a 45 when it's his time to come down that way, you know? He shouldn't be doing that anyways, but still. Alright, let's see here. What's the ride at? And then tomorrow, Monday, I'll record Monday evening's ride. 14 minutes? Yeah, this afternoon's ride was way longer, I had a feeling. Alright guys, well with that being said, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this ride, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!